2015, we were in the process of actually looking at starting another shed, and we were really in a bad state. We figured that we were not making as much money, we were having a lot of issues, and Yogesh uncle came, and I remember the quotation, and for a company of our size, I think Papa once thought I'm mad to ask him to come. But what really changed Papa's mind in this was the fact that Yogesh uncle got his own dabba with him. So the decision factor of why we started with Vedzen was because Yogesh uncle did not come as somebody who's just coming quickly to say that we can do this, but came, spent a day with us, understood our process, and came back and figured out. And I think if we'd not started on the 3rd of Feb 2016, by the end of 2016 we would have shut down. And for us at Autopress, we truly believe this, that if it wasn't for Vedzen, we probably would not have had a business today, because our products are brilliant. But it's not only a product that makes a business, it's also how you bring it to the market, how you sell it, various different factors. And the operational aspect is a very big thing. It's how you execute. So for us, Vedzen has had a tremendous impact on us, on our company, on our brand. And I think we kind of disengaged a little bit in the middle, and straight away we saw it going down. So we've re-engaged, and you can see the difference straight away. So for us, from my perspective, I think it's really changed. It's changed my life for sure.
Okay, well, if I get the chance, maybe I can talk for an hour about Gandhi sir, about Yogesh bhai, and I can only say that today we are there because we engage with Vedzen, and it's a fact, sir. It's a fact. It's a fact for me. And I can also say one thing. When this boy brought this, I never believed in consultancy. And I said to myself, this guy, he's lost his mind. Yeah, he's got some. I saw this. I said he wants to throw money. What will teach us? I can only say one thing, and I tell this to everybody, that we are there today because of Vedzen, and I'm very grateful to Yogesh bhai, to Gandhi sir. Both are my gurus.